Hi, my name is CJ and I'm going to be showing you how to drill out your wooden pass-through posts for DriveTite cable railing. Before you begin, make sure that all of your posts and handrail are firmly mounted. Let's get started. DriveTite is our component and cable-based railing system. This means that if you have sufficient blocking with existing structures like these box posts, all you need are our components and cable. You will need to provide the majority of tools for this installation. Be sure to bring an impact driver, a power drill, 2-inch painter's tape, a Sharpie, a tape measure, a speed square, 1/8 inch or a 3/16 inch drill bit, a 1/2 inch spade bit or Forstner bit, a rubber mallet, and our supplied DriveTite tool. Step 1. Mark your railing runs. Identify all the sides of the posts where you will be running railing. Whether you are installing cable or rods, this step is the same. Using painter's tape, tape a strip vertically in the center of your post from top to bottom. This allows you to mark your drill points on a surface other than the post material and will also keep dust to a minimum. After applying the painter's tape to the post, use a speed square and find the center of your post. When you have done this, grab a Sharpie and draw a line down the center of your post. Next, using a tape measure or our DriveTite tool, measure your railing runs 3 1/8 inches apart on center. The holes in the tool are spaced out 3 1/8 inches apart, so use those as a reference point. Mark all the drill holes on your posts. Step 2. Pre-drill your posts. Once complete, use a 1/8 inch drill bit and drill 2 inches into each mark. It may help to measure 2 inches on your drill bit to maintain consistency of depth when you are drilling. Repeat these same steps on the other side of the post. After completion of these steps, remove your painter's tape. Step 3. Drill your pass-through posts. Next, grab your 1/2 inch spade bit or Forstner bit. Slowly and with consistent pressure, drill into the middle of your post. Once you reach the halfway point, move around to the other side of the post. Begin drilling into the same hole on the opposite side until reaching the halfway point. If you have not broken through to the other side, repeat this step by switching back to the other side until you break through. This will minimize the impact of blowout. The worst thing you can do is rush through this process and only drill out the hole on one side of your post. Repeat these steps for each of the holes until you have drilled out each of your pass-through holes. Step 4. Attach wood insert sleeves. Now that the holes have been drilled, grab your wood insert sleeve. Make sure that your cable has been anchored on one end of the post before inserting the wood sleeve. Place the wood insert sleeve into the open end of cable with the flush side facing the cable. Then, run both the cable and the insert sleeve through the post. After completing this, grab your other wood insert sleeve and place it on the opposite side of the post. If you cannot press the wood insert sleeve in by hand, it may be helpful to use a rubber mallet and drive the insert sleeve firmly into the post. That's all it takes to drill out your wooden pass-through posts for DriveTite cable railing. You can keep up with all of our installation instructions by subscribing to our channel, youtube.com/Viewrail, or by visiting our website, Viewrail.com.